Hello everyone, this is Shalu here. Today I am here to explain you something about English speaking. Before starting, I want to mention something. That no one is born perfect in this world. And imperfection can only make you perfect. So before starting this video, I would also like to mention that I'm not going to make any kind of fake promises that you will learn these sentences and phrases and words and you will be a good speaker. Do you think that is possible, that only by learning few phrases and sentences and words you will be a good English speaker? I feel that is completely wrong. Because if you want to be a speaker, so I think that you want a good command on that language, how you have on other language. You make mistake when you try to speak high advanced and high profile English. Because while speaking that, you don't have confidence as well as you don't have command on that and you make mistakes. So that is the problem, that you run towards high profile English. Don't do that. Try to speak very simple English that you know. Means very simple. The simple way you can also make others to understand as well as you will also gain confidence. And this doesn't mean that it won't help you to know those high advanced words. You will know them. But for that, first you have to be simple. So if you're going to be simple, so definitely when you will come across some words like that, you will know the meanings and then that word will automatically get feeded in your mind. And then next time you may use that word. कि हो सकता है ऐसा कि कभी कभी आप कुछ ऐसे वर्ड्स के उसमें आते होंगे कि मतलब आपने कभी सुना होगा, तो जरूर से जरूर आप उसका मीनिंग देखने की कोशिश करते होंगे, तो वो वर्ड क्या होता है कि आपके दिमाग में फीड कर जाता है. तो उस वर्ड को कहीं ना कहीं यूज करने की कोशिश किया करो. क्यों होता क्या है ना, that if you are going to use that word, then definitely that will set inside your mind, and whenever someone will speak, not immediately but all of a sudden when you will speak, because you have been a good speaker, so you'll use them. Now next thing, to speak simple English, there is no such kind of theory that you have to go through a process or you have to do something or you have to do a miracle that just with a twist of the finger you can get everything. No, it's not needed. And second thing, you need just a mobile phone and a data connection. Not else in this. You only need these two things. So you all have that. Right? So what you have to do, you have to just go through some articles, some writings, because that is the good source for you to learn that how words does miracle. Because the writers, the authors, they write in a way that they have expressed everything in their writing. So through their writing you can understand what you have to immensely do. So here from your mobile, you simply, what you have to do, you take out some writing. It can be of your favorite writers or anything, and you can go through their writings. From that, if you get anywhere, now don't do that you just go through that writing and start marking the words that you are not feeling that you don't know that word, so you start marking and start finding the meanings. Don't do that, children. No one can remember the words, no one can remember the meaning. Even we also, sometimes we also get stuck somewhere when we don't know exact meaning of the word. We are not God, we are humans. So as we make mistakes, you can make mistakes. Only one problem you might be having, that when you speak, most of the students have told me when they speak, so they don't have the confidence as I speak. So here what had worked for me, because I had experience, means I have experience, I had surrounding, I learned, and means in a kind of surrounding where everybody was speaking this. So that was the thing that I got it very fast. But if you have not inculcate this, so what you have to do, you have to go to these one or two process. The first, which I said, be very simple, and second thing, you should have a mobile phone and a data connection, and you should go to some of the writings of any writer, or you take out one article, take out a paragraph, take out an essay from internet. You start with that. Start with a very small thing. And the third one that you have to do, third, or you can say it last, or it can be the next process that you have to go, is that you try to watch English movies. Now, English movie is here, it doesn't mean that you have to be addicted to it. Means, what do you have to do? That try to create environment and your mobile, the content of your mobile, with some English, you can say English stuffs. So in them, if you consider then English movies, English series. And one thing you have to keep in mind while watching these movies, you should have the subtitles running there on the screen. यानी कि जब आप इंग्लिश मूवीज देखो तो आप ये चीज क्लियर रखो कि आप जो मूवीज देख रहे हो, मूवीज जब चल रही है तो उसके नीचे में इंग्लिश में वो सबटाइटल्स भी चल रहे हैं. Why? Because this will help you that if you have not been able to grab or you have not been able to understand what they are speaking, because they have accent, they have a nice accent, so that accent is really very it's not means possible for everyone to understand. So it will be good that when the subtitles are running there, so you can understand what they are exactly meaning there. And if you are not interested in English movies, so you can get some of the Indian movies that are dubbed in English. You can go with them. So because you know that movie, so you will be interested to watch, because most of them have this problem that they are not interested in English movies. So you can go with them. Because what happens, student, like it is really very common thing to understand कि अगर आप उस तरह के, जैसे एक बच्चा छोटा होता है तो क्या होता है कि बच्चा जब छोटा होता है तो वो जिस एनवायरनमेंट में रहता है उसको जो लैंग्वेज सिखाई जाए, उसके सामने जो लैंग्वेज बोला जाए, वो उस लैंग्वेज को सीख जाता है. चाहे वो बंगाली हो, चाहे मराठी हो, चाहे गुजराती हो, बड़ा ही अच्छा स्पीकर हो जाता है, उसमें फ्लुएंटली करता है. तो ये चीज आप उस समय तो नहीं हो पाया कि अगर उस समय आपके आसपास का एनवायरनमेंट ऐसा नहीं था, यू वर नॉट हैविंग दैट इंग्लिश एनवायरनमेंट. सो नाउ यू कैन क्रिएट दैट एनवायरनमेंट. Now you are solely responsible to do your work in your own way. No one is going to stop you. No one is going to criticize you, because you are on your own way. And one thing very important, one who never encourages you, never tries to support you, always make fun of you, please be away from them. Because they are not going to help you at all. They are not going to lead in their life, so they don't want you to. So it is a very simple, you can say, एक लाइफ का जो मंत्रा होता है वो यही है, ऐसे लोगों से दूर रहो. Don't be interested on them. So try your work, the work which I said, take it as your homework which I said, try to do it. Start it from today. And it will make a kind of change, not all of a sudden. एक दिन में नहीं होगा, एकदम से समय लगेगा, पर होगा. You will be interested in that. So work on this, and I hope you like this video. So do like and subscribe my channel. Till then, goodbye.